Hi TK and Kinder, I'm so excited to be back with you guys. I know we're online learning still, but we're gonna have fun while we can, okay? So this week we're gonna focus on a lot of colorful projects and science experiments. And today we're going to do an experiment called tie-dye milk, okay? And you may have done this before, so if you have, either do it again and have fun, or if you haven't, it's so much fun to try at home. So the ingredients or materials that you need are milk, okay? It said on the website that I found to use whole milk, and I will tell you the science behind it later. So you need milk with lots of fat in it, okay? If you don't have whole milk at home, you can give other milk a try, like skim milk or fat-free milk. See what happens, okay? So you need milk, you need soap. It does not matter what brand of soap you have, just dish soap. And you need a bowl or a plate. I decided I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna do a plate first. And last but not least, to have the colors, you need food coloring, okay? If you do not have this stuff, you can always get it at your local grocery store, okay? So next time you go to the grocery store, if mom and dad go out, ask them if they can get you some of this stuff, okay? If not, you'll be able to see how cool it is on this video. I also added some toothpicks just to play around with it later once it gets cool. So, step one, you need to open up your milk and gently pour, or have an adult help you. You're going to pour milk until it covers the bottom of your plate or your bowl, okay? So I did that here. I went ahead and covered it. All right, I did it very carefully so I didn't make a mess, okay? So step two is adding the colors that you want, okay? So you're gonna add drops of food coloring. Now, be careful with food coloring. If you get this on your hands, it will stain. You can wash them, but you might have colorful hands for a little bit. So be careful and make sure you ask an adult before you use your food coloring, okay? So I've got blue, my favorite color. I'm gonna do a drop of blue there, a drop of blue there, and a drop of blue there. And I do not have purple, but I know that red and blue make purple, so I'm gonna drop some red next to one of my blue drops, and then I'll do another red drop. Let's see, I'll do a yellow drop. Another yellow drop. I know yellow and blue make green, so I'll drop a couple yellow dots next to that blue. And oh, I do have green, but I'll go ahead and do green again. So green and green and green, green. Okay, so I've added a lot of color. Step three is you need to add 1 drop of your dish soap. 1 drop, okay? This can be difficult. Dish soap comes out very quick, so be careful, okay? So you're gonna go in and you're gonna drop your dish soap. Watch what happens when I do that. Okay, so if you can see, it's starting to turn. And if I blow on it, it mixes even more. So I'm gonna keep blowing. And I'm gonna actually try to add another dot just right here where it's not flowing so well to see if it'll go. Ooh, and it does. Okay, I'm also gonna try a toothpick to see what happens if I swirl it around on my toothpick. Ooh, okay. Doesn't really do a lot, but you might get it to work better than me. You can swirl around the soap a little bit. All right, well, that's the tie-dyed milk experiment. I hope you guys have fun, and send me your pictures of your milk. Bye guys, have fun. See you tomorrow.